What's going on, YouTube? Coming back at you again with the truth about Forex, my testimonials about the progress I have with the business, what's going on, the updates. I know I haven't checked in a while, but it's been a lot going on. This coronavirus thing is kind of crazy. I'm in the military, so we've been taking a lot of precautions to make sure people don't catch it. And business has been booming. My team is growing. Last time I spoke to you guys, I had like my team was probably about like 6 deep. We over 20 deep now, so I'm doing a lot of mentoring, a lot of coaching, but I'm still gonna get y'all videos and give you my viewpoint and my perspective every step of the way. So where I'm at right now is I'm coming up with some really cool plans on helping my people rank up. I actually had my first person rank up to P600 at $600 a month. That's amazing. I'm finally getting to the point where I can really help people like put real money in their pockets, like outside of trading. This is a residual income for her, so it's amazing. You can check my Instagram and kind of catch up on the story. But yeah, 600 a month, she's winning, it's booming, and now she has a whole team of like 10 plus people. So before, just to rewind it a little bit, I was starting off with just one, two, three, four people that I personally signed up, right? And I was like the entry level for the business. Now I'm at the point to where my people that I sign up are signing up people. So not only am I a mentor to more people, but I have to mentor the people who signed up people on how to be coaches now and how to be mentors now and how to be leaders now. So before it was like I said, entry level one on one, and now I'm basically building an operation like a corporation. You know what I mean? So that's where I'm at with everything, and it's a lot more note taking, lot more goal setting, a lot more organization, and I just have to prioritize my time different because now I have a bunch of people requesting my time and my energy, and I have to basically set things up to things are on autopilot. So I specifically reached out to a couple people like who wants to rank up, like who wants to get to P150, and the people who want to step up and be leaders and take that leap forward and get out of their comfort zone. I came up with like customized plans. So the difference is like the old me would literally talk to that person all day, mentor them up, coach them up, and give them that one-on-one attention. Don't get me wrong, I still give one-on-one attention. But the difference is now is I come up with a strategic plan for them and just type it up and boom, send them the plan. They take the plan and take everything step by step, and then we just check in, and that kind of just expedites my time, Therefore, they're still getting what they need. I'm still getting what I need as far as my time, and I'm still coaching and mentoring, and I can get to all the other people. So I went from the entry level of getting a person here and there, and I picked some winners, and my winners is blooming now. And so now I'm coaching them on their team and assisting them with, building up everything. So that's where I'm at right now. My goal is now to get her to P1000, which is $1,000 a month, and then to start cracking a lot more 150s and two and frees. So my job at this point is just to put money in people's pockets. I still trade. Um, I slowed down on my trading because I felt like I was moving around too much. When it comes to trading, you got to be able to sit down and really focus on what you're doing. If you just really like taking trades like at work, which I'm guilty of, or just taking trades on the run, it doesn't serve you. Like, don't be wrong, I got some wins, but some of the losses that I got is just because like I just wasn't paying attention. I was just overly confident at work, not where somebody will call me and I got to do something and I have a trade placed. That ain't the way to do it. I'm still making mistakes, I'm human, I'm still on my journey, and this is giving you a real perspective of a trader. Some of you guys might have full-time jobs and you might just want to trade at work, but I wouldn't suggest it. It's best just to get somewhere, be in a peaceful environment, and just wait. If you could only trade 1 or 2 days a week, just wait. And I learned that lesson. So throughout the week, I'm focusing on my team, and I have my certain days where I just sit down and trade. So I slowed down with my trading. Trading is still good, still making money. It's just I'm just coming at a different angle. But my team aspect, I'm loving that because literally I'm coaching and teaching every day, and I'm coming up with plans and strategies for everybody. So that part of it is beautiful. So overall, everything is on the up and up. I just have to step my game up as a boss and a leader, and really come up with plans for everybody, and come up with plans that I can type up and just send to people. Like, boom, this is the blueprint. Send them the blueprint, and let's just touch bases as you go on your journey. And at this point, it's just my job to help people get money. So I'm just helping everybody get money. So uh, that's pretty much it. That's where I'm at right now. Shout out to Amina. Hopefully you watch this and your team watches this, and she's been following the blueprint, following the instructions, and she ain't even got started yet because there's a couple things that she hasn't even got into yet. She hasn't done her first event yet, and she hasn't even hosted a call yet, and she's already booming. So if she can do this well, and she hasn't even hosted a call yet or hosted her first home event yet, sky's the limit for that girl. So, I'm just looking for more winners on the team. If you're watching this and you're on my team, I'm looking to rank you up. It is my job to make sure you make money. You know what I'm saying? It's a winning team. We got our group text going where everybody's winning with their trades. We got the support system going. The energy is crazy, and I'm excited, man. I'm doing all of this while I'm here, which is a beautiful thing. I didn't think I would be able to do this while I was in the military, but I'm doing it, making it happen every day. So shout out to my team. Shout out to y'all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all keep me motivated. Y'all watch this. Y'all stay motivated and just know it's all love. It's all positive energy. It's all mindset. It's all manifestation. And we helping the world. It's deeper than Forex. It's not just trading. We building up people, characters, personalities, helping people get out of their comfort zones and get the win. So on that note, I'm going to get back to it. Just want to check in with you guys. I'm coming with some more videos. I got a goal to hit P1000 within the next 30 days, so I got to put in more work, more videos, more Instagram lives, more connections, more meetings. Oh, I'm also hosting a call every Saturday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you need the information on that, just reach out to me on Instagram. Oh, last thing, I also made a new Instagram. My new Instagram is at Mercer Millions, so MERCER Millions, at Mercer Millions. So feel free to follow me if you're watching this, and check out my journey. I'm rebranding myself. My old name was JMO Graphic because I used to do graphics. I went to school for graphic design and visual communications, and now I'm Mercer Million because I'm manifesting millions, millions of dollars, millions of people. Millions of likes, millions of followers, millions of pieces of love, millions of everything. Millions just represents abundance, and at the end of the day, it's not all about money all the time because it's spiritual first, you know what I'm saying? Money is just a representation of, manifestation. So, millions of everything, millions of hugs, millions of cars, millions of everything, just abundance mind state, that's what I'm working on, and that's what I'm manifesting. So, like I said, on that note, I'm gonna check with y'all later. Just want to let y'all know it's booming, the team is growing. Pressure is on me to be a better leader, so I'm about to go be a better leader. So I'll check with y'all later.